Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Relevance AI versus n8n. When comparing Relevance AI and n8n, it's important to understand that they serve different purposes, with one focused on AI-powered features and the other on workflow automation. Relevance AI is an AI and machine learning platform that helps businesses integrate intelligent features like search relevance, recommendations, and data analytics into their applications. It provides tools to build, train, and deploy machine learning models without needing extensive data science expertise. Relevance AI creates search systems that better understand user intent, offering more relevant results. It built personalized recommendation systems to suggest products, content, etc. based on user behavior and preferences. It simplifies the process of deploying machine learning models for various use cases. Relevance AI manages large data sets and prepares data for ML model training, making it easier to create custom models. Relevance AI is designed to be user-friendly with a focus on no-code and low-code features for ease of integration into applications. Relevance AI is best for businesses needing advanced AI-powered features like personalized recommendations or improved search. It is best for companies aiming to integrate machine learning models into applications without deep data science skills. Enhancing user experience through AI without requiring extensive coding or machine learning knowledge. While n8n is an open source workflow automation tool designed to connect various applications and services without requiring much coding. It helps businesses automate processes and integrate multiple tools, allowing users to build custom workflows to handle repetitive tasks. n8n allows users to create custom workflows that connect different apps and services. You can self-host n8n, offering full control over workflows and processes. Users can create workflows using a visual interface, making it accessible even to non-developers. However, it also allows for custom code integration when needed. n8n supports hundreds of applications, making it easy to automate tasks across different tools. It is suitable for small businesses and enterprises with features for more complex workflows and integrations. n8n is best for automating tasks across various platforms, CRM, email, project management tools, etc. Creating workflows that automate business processes like data syncing, reporting, or alerts. n8n is best for developers and businesses who need to integrate and automate processes between apps without building everything from scratch. Relevance AI is the better choice if you want to integrate AI, machine learning, or personalized features like search relevance or recommendations into your product or service. n8n is the right tool if you are focused on automating workflows, connecting apps, and streamlining repetitive tasks in your business. So basically, this is the difference between Relevance AI and n8n. So if you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.